So just exactly how does a veteran get an SBA loan? First of all, the SBA does not make direct business loans. We do loan guarantees through lenders, through banks, through credit unions, through non-bank lenders. The first thing for the potential borrower to do is to do your own research. You need to know more about your business, about your proposal, than the lender you're going to present it to. It's a good idea to talk to SCORE and to the Small Business Development Center. These are two organizations which are funded by the SBA, and they have centers all across Iowa. It's free to talk to SCORE, it's free to talk to the Small Business Development Center, and you're free to take the advice or the suggestions, the counseling result that they give you, or to ignore it. You should also go to the SBA's website, www.sba.gov, for help with ideas. There are online models for business plans. There are online resources for training. There are online counseling resources that are available. When you've taken advantage of these resources and others you might find, then it's time to write a business plan. This doesn't need to be a long, complicated document, 50 pages long or so on. All it needs to be is 3, 4, 5 pages, just long enough for you to present in a rational manner, in a reasonable, a clear, understandable manner, just what it is you propose to do with the loan proceeds if you receive them. You should then make an appointment with a commercial lender. It's best if you can make an appointment with the lender where you bank now. If they're not interested in your project, then make an appointment with another lender. But in any event, make an appointment and ask the lender what information is that they would like to see from you when you come in to discuss your project. Briefly describe it over the phone to them and ask them what kind of information they would like to see. They'll tell you about certain kinds of financial information, I'm sure. When you have the information, go in, keep the appointment, and make your pitch to the lender. It's up to you to sell the lender on the creditworthiness of your project. SCORE and the Small Business Development Center and the SBA are not going to go with you to the lender. It's up to you to sell the lender on your project yourself. While you're in there, you should ask the lender to apply for an SBA loan guarantee. The lender isn't obliged to do it. They're not obliged to make you the loan, and they're not obliged to apply for a guarantee from the SBA. But if they are eager to do that, then the lender will fill out the SBA application, depending on the type of program that they're applying under. The lender will then send the application to the SBA for a decision. Depending on the program, we may be asked to render a credit decision, which is to say, to agree with the lender that this is a wise loan to make, that makes good business sense, or we may be asked only to render a decision about the eligibility of the loan, whether it's permissible to make this loan under the SBA guarantee program. Depending on which program the lender applies under, the lender will get an answer from us in anywhere from a few minutes up to a few days. If the answer is yes, then the lender will schedule the loan closing, and you'll go in on the day of the loan closing, sign the documents, the funds will be deposited in your account. Now, this is the drill for SBA's loan guarantee programs. We have another program, our 504 program, which has different parameters. The 504 program is not a guarantee as such. It's a long-term fixed asset financing program, which can be found elsewhere. For more information, go in particular to our website, www.sba.gov/IA. This is Dennis Larkin with the Des Moines District Office of the SBA, explaining how a veteran can get an SBA loan.